Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're putting together outfits, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. Look, I'm going with this faux leather belted shacket. It's from Time and True. It has that mid-size collar, full button, the 2 flat pockets, relaxed to the wrist. It is completely lined on the inside. Also comes with the belt. This is super buttery soft faux leather material, and then it has the seam detail in the back. Comes in the brown, also in the black. They're going to be at $34.98. Also pairing it with this rib top from Celebrity Pink. If you're interested in seeing this, I'm sharing it in my try-on that I'm posting later today. So these have that squared neckline, fitted through the wrist, also in the body. Same kind of fit through the back in the burgundy. Also comes in the black. They are $14.50. I would say they're also true to size, and I'm going to go with the black. Denim, I'm gonna go with this straight leg style from Lee. So these are it looks like a mid-rise. They have the whiskering straight through the leg, and then that same kind of fit through the back. These are $27.98. Comes in the mid-tone, also in the darker indigo. Bag, I'm gonna go with this shoulder bag from Jessica Simpson. So this one has the flap. It has really cute grommet detailing. Comes in that pink. They also have a bigger option. The smaller style is $28, and then this style is $29. Also comes in the blue. Jewelry, I'm gonna go with these gold hoops from Time and True. So they have that rope look detail. These are $3.88. I also like this necklace set from Time and True. So it's a layered 15-inch. It has the little gemstone and then the crystal. They're $3.88 for the set. And then I'm also going with these snakeskin boots from Time and True. So these have a little bit of a square toe, the kitten heel zipper on the inside. They're $29.98, but I like these because they have that texture. They're also gonna go with so many things with the black and brown combo. And that's the finished look. The next look, I want to do something that could maybe double as a Halloween costume. I was thinking Fran Drescher, and I wanted the skirt in the black to skirt, but they only have brown, so I'm going to do the brown. So these are wrap style. They have the double button side pocket. They're shorts in the back with pockets. These are $14.50. Also going with the mock neck rib top from Celebrity Pink. So these are really stretchy. It's fitted through the wrists, nice length through the front and the back. I know one of you guys commented that this brand is like more juniors, but in my opinion, I think they run true to size. And if you want something a little more fitted, that's a good option. Also comes in the ivory. These are $13.50. Sneak peek color in this faux fur coat. So we showed them in the black in the last video. Now they have it in this animal print. Has the rounded collar. It has a full zip. Relaxed fit, completely lined, and then also relaxed through the wrist. Same kind of fit through the back. And they are going to be $49. And then she always does an opaque tight, so I'm going with these from Joyspun. It's a 2-pack for $9.97. They have double black. There's white with the tan. There's navy and black. Bag, I'm gonna go with this top handle bag from Madden NYC. This also has the crossbody strap. Comes in black, also in brown, and these are $22. Also gonna go with these drop oval earrings from Time and True. I have these. I bought them like a year ago, and they're not tarnished or anything. They're only $3.88. Shoes, I'm gonna go with these knee boots from Time and True. These have a little bit of a rounded toe, chunky heel, zipper on the inside. Comes in the black faux suede, also in the brown, and these are $34.98. And that's the finished look. I think it would have been better with the black skirt, but I still like it. Next look, I'm gonna go with the pull-on wide leg pants from Lee. So these have an elastic waistband. They have the side pocket. They're nice and flowy. This material is more like a pony knit. It does have that texture, and it says they're boot cut with trouser pockets in the back. So this style, it also comes in the gray stripe, and they're $26.98. Also going with the white button-down shirt from Time and True. So this is the classic style. I really love the cut of this one. I've been wearing my chaps from last year, and I just don't like it as much as this cut. So it has the smaller collar, full button detail on the wrist. It has that scoop with the seam in the back. These are $15.98. Comes in the white, also the black, and I shared it in a haul in the blue and white stripe. I'm gonna go with the white. Also pairing it with the waffle crew neck sweater from Time and True. So this one has that rib neckline. It has the side seam detailing with the drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom. I'm gonna go with this brown color. It also comes in ivory. There's pink, burgundy, blue, gray, black, and green, and they're $14.98. Jewelry, I'm gonna go with the smaller hoops from Time and True. So they have a bunch of different sizes in this chunky gold hoop. They're $3.88. I'm gonna go with the smaller ones. Bag, I'm gonna go with this little crossbody style from Time and True. So this has the little snap closure, fits wallet, you can fit phone and keys, like perfect with the little card holder on the back. These are $14.98. Also comes in the black fabric with the silver hardware, the gold with the black faux leather. Shoes, I'm gonna go with these platform like suede clogs from Joyspun. I like these because they are genuine leather. I think they are, they usually are. Lining. I'm pretty sure these are genuine leather. And then they have that foam bottom. They also come in this beige color and the black. And these are $18.98. And that's the finished look. Next look, I'm gonna go with this denim jacket. You guys know I love this one. I shared it in the shop with me. It's from Celebrity Pink. It has plush collar, the trim, true denim buttons. I love the little heart detail. Also has the heart on the wrist. It's a shorter boxy fit. And then that same fit through the back with really nice seam detailing. These are $27.50. Pairing it with the camel jeggings. These are from Time and True. They have this new darker camel. Maybe I'll go with these. These are high rise. They're pull on like leggings, fitted through the leg. These are nice to wear with your higher boots. They're only $12.98. They also have gray, burgundy, a lot of denim options, the olive, gray. There's a bronze. Also going with the Time and True. These are the crew neck tees. They are, I'm pretty sure these are 100% cotton. They're really comfortable. If you want them a little more fitted, you could size down 1 or 2 if you want it really fitted. But yeah, these are 100% cotton. They have white, burgundy, navy, black, gray, gold, beige, olive, baby pink, and rust, and they're $5.98. Jewelry, I'm gonna go with Bully by Brilliance. You guys know it. Oh, look how pretty this set is. I want that. I think I'm gonna go with this one. I had this one, I lost the earrings. They're $15.94. They did stay silver. They didn't tarnish. I love this set. Just like a good classic pendant and then nice size studs. Bag, I'm gonna go with the little Sherpa crossbody from No Boundaries. This one has an adjustable strap, 2 top zippers. They're $13.97. Also has like a black faux leather option. And then boots, I'm gonna go with these again in the brown this time. So these have that round toe, chunky heel. It does have a zipper on the inside. These are $34.98. They also come in black. And that's the finished look. I think maybe with the beiges, this might be better. The Time and True slouch boots. So they did change these a little bit. When I had them in the other version, they were so comfortable. I haven't tried these on yet, but these have the round toe, chunky heel. They also have them in the darker cognac. I think maybe that'll pull in like the ivory bag and collar better. Those are $24.98. Next look, I'm gonna go with the Time and True puffer style vest. So these are mock neck sleeveless. They have the quilting, the zippered pocket, quilting through the back. Comes in black, blue. There's ivory, pink, purple, and these are only $14.98. Pairing it with this set from Athletic Works. So these are the super soft material. It has the hood, drawstring, kangaroo pockets, ribbed wrists. They have the blue, gray, purple, green. There's rust, a darker blue, gray, and black. I'm gonna do this blue color. And then to match, they have the sweatpants. These have the elastic waistband, drawstring, that true jogger bottom, all the same colors. These are also $15.98. Bag, I'm gonna go with the sling style from Madden NYC. I like these for like if you're gonna be running errands, if you are going to the gym and they have a problem with bags, which I've had that happen, but these also can turn into a backpack. They have that buckle and they're $20. Also gonna go with this little hat and glove set from NYC. These are $15. I think these might have been on sale online when I was linking them. Jewelry, I'm gonna go with this set from Believe by Brilliant. So you guys know this is one of my favorites. You get the studs and the tennis necklace for $15.94. It also comes in gold. I think the gold sold out. Shoes, I'm gonna go with the Paws. These are the platform slipper style Uggs. So you have the foam bottom, the rounded embroidered trim. I'm a little sad that they don't have the Never Wet. These is like a fabric material when they used to have them with that leather. They're gonna be $24. They also have the beige and like the chestnut, and that's the finished look. Next look, I'm gonna go with the skull sweater from No Boundaries. It has that crew neckline, drop sleeve, ribbed dress with the ribbed bottom, same kind of fit through the back, and these are going to be $14.98. Pairing it with the Time and True, this is the straight leg jean. They have the whiskering, some fading, the raw hem, that same kind of fit through the back, and these are $22.98. I was looking for the Halloween kind of jewelry because I thought this would be cute if you want to be fun and festive but you don't want to like wear a costume, but they don't have them here, so we're just gonna go with, looking for silver hoop. These are $3.88. I could do either one, but I'm gonna go with these. I'm also going with the knotted headband from Time and True. So these are really stretchy and comfortable. They're $4.88. Bag, I'm going with the shoulder bag from NYC. It has the top zipper, these two zippered compartments, the side with the little coin pouch. These are going to be $22. It also comes in the red. Shoes, I'm gonna go with these boots from No Boundaries. These have the round toe, chunky heel, this little buckle detail with the zipper on the inside. They're $29.98. Next look, this is a sneak peek item from Time and True. So they brought back these turtlenecks. This year they have a hatchy kind of waffled material. They fold over, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist. It has that scoop in the back for leggings. It's a nice kind of relaxed fit. I like the material this year. It's a lot softer. So it comes in the green. There's purple and gray. They're $14.98. Pairing it with the No Boundaries. These are the high-rise legging, ankle length. These are the soft material. I love these. So they have this green now. Also the leopard. I have them in black. They're only $6.98. So pairing it with the plush vest from No Boundaries. So these are reversible. It has the nylon on one side, that plush kind of faux fur on the inside. Mock neck when it's zipped up all the way. Both sides have the pockets and also has that toggle. And then that same fit through the back. So they have this beige, they have a taupey, like mocha brown. There's also a baby blue, and I think maybe a black. There's one other color. And these are $15.98. Bag, I'm gonna go with this nylon sling bag from Reebok. So it does have the adjustable straps. You can also wear it as like a backpack with that zipper. These are $18. They also come in blue and black. Pairing it with the beige hat from Time and True. These are canvas. They have a lot of really good colors. There's solid black, the denim, there's a pink, a leopard, a charcoal leopard, that camo floral, a nice like winter kind of leopard or snow leopard, red and green. I'm gonna go with the platform boots from Time and True. So these have genuine suede, the foam on the bottom, they're plush on the inside, $22.98 in this ivory color. They also come in chestnut, the taupe and silver, and that's the finished look. Next look, I'm going with this ombre sweater from No Boundaries. So it has the crew neckline, drop sleeve, the ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. These are more shorter and boxy. This is the large. So it is, like I said, shorter. I would say true to size. We saw these in a bunch of other colors, and they're going to be $16.98. Denim, I'm gonna go with the Time and True. This is the straight leg. This is the lighter wash. So they are mid-rise. They're nice and stretchy. These are $17.98. They also have them in a dark indigo. There's a dark wash with like the fading, and then solid black. Also going with this faux suede jacket from Time and True. It has an oversized collar, zipped, completely lined with this plush material, side pockets, shorter boxy fit. These are $34.98. So it comes in that suede material, also in the black with the faux leather. Jewelry, I'm gonna go with the gold hoops. This is like the mid-size. These are thin, they're $3.88. Bag, I'm gonna go with this flat bag from Jessica Simpson. So this has all that grommet detailing. It has the adjustable strap. This one also comes in the black with the silver. They're $19. I wish they had this one here in like a different color. I know this one comes in snakeskin. I think that would have went perfect, but this one is good. Boots, I'm gonna go with these little moto boots, but I think you could also do the ones, the platform ones we just went with, or even these tall ones, depending on if you like a more flat shoe. But these are from Time and True. They have that pointed toe, the silver hardware. I think the beiges match nicely together, and these are $27.98. They also come in the black. And that's the finished look. Look, I'm going with the sequin skirt from Time and True. So this one has an elastic waistband slit. It's lined on the inside. Comes in the gold with the ivory, also in the black. I'm going to share this later in today's haul, and these are $16.98. Wearing it with the Sofia Vergara bodysuit. These have that scoop neckline fitted through the wrist, also through the body. Comes in the ivory, also camel and black, and they are $22. I'm gonna do another vest, but this one is from Time and True. The lining on the inside, this one's also reversible. It's way more plush, so I'll do it inside out to show you. So look how plush that looks. I picked it up in this burgundy. I'm gonna share it later today as well, but this looks so much more expensive than it is. It's $24.98. It has that mock neckline, so you can be a little dressed down, dress it up. The black is probably so good too. Jewelry, I'm going with these hoops from Believe by Brilliant. So these are an oval. It looks like an inside out. They're $15.94. I'm gonna do these boots since we got the vest. So these are from Time and True, round toe, chunky heel. We used these earlier. These are $24.98, and that's the finished look. Next look, I'm gonna go with the pull-on wide legs. These are the soft pants from Time and True. They have that elastic waistband, nice and flowy. They are a little on the shorter end. Also pairing it with the ribbed long sleeve tees from No Boundaries. These have a crew neckline. It's fitted through the wrist. They have really good length. Comes in white, brown, this floral. I have that one. And I also paired this one with those pants in a previous video. Burgundy gray, green, teal, leopard, red, and black. They're $7.98. Also going with this moto jacket from No Boundaries. So this one has the smaller collar, lapel side zip, drop sleeve with the zipper detail to shorter boxy fit, and the ivory also comes in black. These are $19.98. Also going with these ear warmers. These are from Madden NYC. They have the tweed little strap with the faux fur. These also come in pink and ivory, and they're $10. I think I'm gonna go with the pink shoulder bag. This one's from Jessica Simpson. Also comes in black, and these are $28. I think I'm actually gonna do the pink ear warmers, and I just noticed they also have them in burgundy and black. And then shoes, I'm gonna go with these pink sneakers from No Boundaries. These are all over my other social medias. That these are so comfortable, like way more comfortable than the Sambas. They have the round toe, the gummy bottom, lace up now in this new pink. Also comes in white and green. There's also white and black. I know they have a few other color combinations, and they're $19.98. And that's the finished look. But I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.